How to solve Capcut no internet connection problem. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Now, to fix the issue of the no internet connection on your Capcut, the major thing that you need to do is check for your Wi-Fi connection. As Capcut can locate a low Wi-Fi, you can actually head over and switch into a optimistic speed Wi-Fi connection if you can, or you can enable mobile data or try to enable your airplane mode and turn it back off in 3 seconds to give your Wi-Fi a quick refresh. Or you can just turn on or turn off the router. Once you are connected to a better Wi-Fi, the problem will be solved automatically. However, if it seems more like a glitch or a bug issue, you can solve it by heading over to your phone settings. In your phone setting, navigate to the option of apps and check out all apps. Now in here, you can search for the application of your Capcut. In your Capcut, you need to head over and tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Then head to Search and Cache and click on the Clear Cache button. After following this step, you can easily solve your issue. You have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.